Hello and welcome back. Let's touch upon commodities now, where we have seen a bit of a profit taking coming in on the last day of the week, and especially when you haven't seen much of the developments come in from US or from ECB as well in sense of any monetary stimulus. That in turn also seems to be putting some pressure onto the commodities. So there you have crude prices after gaining nearly 25% in last 2 months. Today especially has seen a bit of a decline coming in. We did see $98 on NYMEX, but 95 is how that one is holding right now on your screens. I look at also the gold prices. Remember, we were touching nearly $1670 an ounce in the markets. There has been a bit of a decline coming in today. The stimulus hopes are fading from the US, and that's the reason a bit of a decline. But this week has been good. More than $50 of a gain coming in on your screens there. It has been, of course, record highs as well as the gold MCX prices go. Some decline is seen in case of the base metal prices. Also, the Chinese data has been on the weaker side. Nothing coming in from the Europe is something that's denting this space as well. But on the weekly basis, on your screens, all this week really has been good for most of those commodities there. Let's get in then. Ajay Kedia, he's MD and Research Head at Kedia Commodities, and he joins us live on the show. Ajay, hi, welcome. Let's start with gold and silver first, and the kind of gains that we have seen come in this week. Are you looking at the coming week continue that, or do you think some consolidation, some profit taking now could be the order of the day?
Good afternoon, Manisha. As we have seen after the Fed update, market has given a very good breakout in international. Previously also we have seen the market was trading in a very tight range of 1550 and 1620. But as long as market is holding above 1640, we expect that it is not beyond that we can get 1700 also. And in domestic market, definitely we have seen that low physical demand is seen in the physical market, and also on higher side scrap selling is has increased in the market. But then also I will be quite bullish in case of gold and silver both. Silver on domestic market can once again touch around 58,000, whereas gold maybe because of rupee weakness also 31,200, 31,500 can be seen in the next week session.
What's your sense coming in for silver as well? Because while we've done 56,000 in the Indian markets itself, are you looking at further gains for that one too?
Yeah, surely. If we take a silver from last 4-5 months, market was trading in a very tight range. But this week only we have seen a very good jump about 53,500. I think that as long as market is holding about $29.60 in international, whereas in domestic market, if it continues to hold about 55,800, maybe we can test once again around 58,000. And till year end or near to Diwali, we can see prices once again testing around 65,000.
Ajay, what's your sense coming in for crude now? 25% of gains in last 2 months. Today, of course, has been a day of consolidation. But what's your sense going forward now?
See, crude, as long as the market is holding about $90 as a psychological level, whereas on near-term support will be around $94, $80. But all are expecting that if there is any stimulation pack update coming from the China, US and Europe, definitely prices can shoot up near to $100. Also, the geopolitical tension continue to be supportive part for crude oil. But slight pullback yesterday we have seen there was a slight jump. Once again we have seen a jump in dollar because of European data. So slight pullback can be seen, but overall still, as long as market is holding about 94.80, we can see once again $100.
Ajay, let's talk about the agro commodities then. And sugar, of course, has been one buzzing one. We've heard a lot about exports, on how the government would continue to allow that one. But how do you see sugar prices going forward as the festive demand only picks up from here, and we are getting those bullish cues from the international markets as well?
See, in international market already we have seen since last 2 years market was continue to be bull run. But in case of domestic market, since last 2 years there was a very good production was in. But to be very frank, I think that the market will continue to be in a very tight range, and looking to the festival demand, maybe in a period of 1 or 2 months we can see once again rallying around 36.50 on higher side.
The monsoon delay, of course, has affected most of those agro commodities, Ajay. But how about the wheat prices? Because those have run up quite strongly from around 1,200 of a very consolidated move that we saw for many, many months. It's touching nearly 1,400 and beyond.
Yeah, totally we are surprised looking to the wheat prices, because we have a very good buffer stock also, and despite of that, no doubt there was a update that there may be some production halt can be seen, but overall looking to the buffer stock, definitely prices should get pressure, but rather than getting a pressure, market is totally supportive, and maybe we can see because of some export demand is seen in the market, and spot market is also ahead of festival season coming in the market. So maybe we can see prices continue to hold this level, and maybe around 1600 or 1620 can be seen in short while.
All right, a good 10% of gains coming in for wheat on your screens there. Most of the agro commodities actually have been like that. Ajay, let's talk about the base metal space as well, because the kind of data we have seen come out of China has dented a bit of a gain coming in there. But then again, stimulus hopes, the weak US dollar has been supportive for this sector. But do you think these couple of factors can continue to support?
I don't think, because see, in Q2 also we have seen the market was trading in a very tight range, and still if we see the actual fundamentals, all economies are under recession only and nothing is coming out of any economy. But then also from last 1 month period we have seen that hopes are continuing to be building from the Chinese, also stimulation pack can be come out even from the European market. If there is any certain updates or certain positive things coming out of from the Chinese market, definitely prices can jump up, but timing I will be slightly under, market will be trading in a very tight range only. Maybe once again we can see prices like copper testing around 415, but as long as there is no fundamental update coming in the market, we don't see any major upside coming in the base metal counter.
All right, Ajay, we'll let you go at that. Thank you so much for joining us. So that's the view coming in from KDR Commodities, buying into agro commodities and buying into precious metals as well for today and for the coming week as well. With that, it's wrap on the FNO show, but handing it over to Nikunj then for closing trades.
Thanks, Manisha. Agri stocks are not doing well. Agri commodities are doing well. That's what I can tell you.
Okay.
It's a confusing market today.
But crude is up.
Yeah, 3-month high. Big fly in the ointment for Indian markets. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelt for the last half an hour of trade. Markets literally are not going anywhere. Nifty for the entire day has meandered in and around 5400, and it appears to me for next 60 minutes also Nifty will stay below 5400.